Hi. So if you want to become a great data analyst, there are some things you should take into consideration. First, stop worrying about being like the experts you see online, having beautiful and fancy dashboards. What you should take into consideration first is creating as many projects as you can. Right now, your focus shouldn't be on making perfect, fancy, beautiful dashboards. It should be about how much have you practiced. The fancy visuals, first put that aside. It is the quantity first before we look at the quality. Just create whatever comes to your mind. Every time you learn something, make sure that the next day you already have an addition to that. Don't overthink about the colors, the layouts, or the templates you're using. What you have to think about is every day, do I add something on what I had yesterday? At the start, quantity matters more than quality. Quality will come with overtime, and quality comes as you do more. Those people you see online, those perfect professionals you see online, they have done over 1,000 projects. Build one project after another. Your second should be better than your first project. Your third project should be better than your second project. That's the sequence you should look at how you're doing your projects, and so on. The moment you do something, the next day you learn the principles, the errors, the experience. There are a lot of learnings. By the time you have created 50 projects, you'll clearly see how much you have come from. I think we all see that always when we do stuff. When you go back in the previous projects, you'll see that you have a lot you have added. Use any data you can find online. ChatGPT AI, they are here to create for you data. Write a few functions, make a few charts, and learn the principles as you go. I implore you from today, create as many projects as you can. Create a project after the other. Don't mind on the principles. Don't mind on the quality. Don't mind on how beautiful, how fancy it is, but mind on creating as many projects as you can. Don't wait to be perfect. Just start creating. Perfection will find you on the way. That's how every great data analyst or professional you see online has come that far, and you're here to go that further. Otherwise, you start now. Now go and create those projects. Bye.